and our aim is to help navigate organizations safely into their cyber journey. So that's a brief about us, about me as well. Thank you.
Great. Great.
Thank you, Suhas.
Thank you, Ji. Now I would like to invite Dheeraj Mathur Ji for introduction. Dheeraj Mathur?
Yeah, hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi, sir. I'm Dheeraj
Dheeraj, you will have to
Mathur.
again.
Yeah. No issue. I'm Dheeraj Mathur, work in so many corporates of India, like lost for 60, 17 years in sales. And after that, I started my own manufacturing of cold pressed oil. That is also called as a Kachi Ghani Ka Tel or Lakdi Ghani Ka Tel. Based out of Mumbai only. I'm situated in Mumbai past 15, 16 years. And I started this business 1 year back. Initially, I started on the B2C platform, but now it's doing very well. And now I'm getting calls and business from the B2B platform also, very much actually. And truly, I can say I'm not getting time to manage everything. So I'm completely engaged into this new venture, this business. And currently, I'm supplying all over across Mumbai, as well. I am getting orders from other state part of, like you can say, Udaipur, Rajasthan, Noida, Hyderabad, and Bangalore also. And B2B platform also I started because so many vendors, they are purchasing oils from me. This is all edible oils, cooking oils, right? So I think everybody must be knowing because everybody using oils in our home. And that is not a refined oil, that is a kachi ghani ka tel, cold pressed oil. So I'm manufacturing all this groundnut oil, tel ka tel, coconut oil, and badam oil, almond, kalonji oil, and so many oils. And apart from these oils, I am also dealing in outsourcing product like jaggery, turmeric, and A2 ghee also. So this much I'm doing and enjoying very well in my business also. My wife is very supportive and she has initiated this whole project, and now we put together, we are doing this business very much. This is all about my introduction.
Thank you. I would like to invite Rajesh Chanchalani Ji.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rajesh Chanchalani, based at Aurangabad. Currently, I'm the director for a finance company, and we are into finance. We are channel partners for around 16 banks and NBFCs in the region, working for last 20 years. Having a customer base of around 96,000, I'm having a staff of 150 people with me. And apart from that, I'm into trainings and counselings also. So I'm associated with ICAI, ICAI, CMA, and other institutions, and around 17 universities altogether. Apart from that, I do run a social group over here by the name We Volunteers, and we are into roadside accident, helping victims, hospitalizing them, and again, informing the relatives. I've made a team of around 10,800 volunteers over here in Aurangabad, and we have saved around 12,000 accident victims by now. So this is what is in short for me. As far as my education is concerned, I'm a postgraduate in microbiology, and I've worked with Chauvelis, Mysore Breweries, and Myco Life Sciences, doing research, quality control, and productions. And the future aspect, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to connect the education, academic things to the rural market, so that the students get the better future. They get connected to the colleges, and it's high time wherein today we are connecting the rural colleges with the industries together, so that we can help the farmers also and increase income. So basically, I'm currently working on this aspect of and training people around. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you, Rajesh Ji. Sujita Ji.
Good morning again, everyone. I'm Sujita Acharya from Hyderabad. मैं दो वर्टिकल में काम कर रहा हूँ. एक मेरा खुद का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है. It's a proprietary company. जिसमें जहाँ पे हम लोग लग्जरी बेडिंग्स बनाते हैं. हम इसको एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं. We are not into domestic market. We are into 5 international markets. And बेबी से लेके मोस्ट सीनियर पर्सन के बेडिंग्स तक हमारे पास सोल्यूशन रहता है. We work with organic cotton and organic cotton fabric. Apart from that, we have started just 2 months back one more vertical called as Her Market, wherein we help the women manufacturers by giving them the selling platforms. So इसमें हम लोग B2B online selling, B2C and B2B online store based selling and export consortium, ये तीनों formats में हम लोग काम करते हैं. And we have done very well within 2 months also, and we are planning to expand this all over India right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Suchita ji. I would like to invite Khuzem Sakarwala. If I have not pronounced.
No, you have pronounced properly.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Good morning. I am Khuzem Sakarwala. I am basically an interior designer professionally, and I have been into interior designing since 1982, and have been into modular furniture since 1997. So basically around 40 years of design experience and 23 years of modular furniture. So we started off with kitchen in 97, but today we are into manufacturing of complete modular furniture for residential and commercial spaces. That includes complete apartments, offices, schools, hostels, hospital furniture, everything basically. So we are into complete modular furniture. We have done apartments, complete 3-bedroom apartments within a month's time, complete customized furniture within a month's time. So basically a timeline and the finish is what we believe in giving is quality. On my social side, I am a Rotarian. So basically I have been into Rotary for the past 16 years and have led our club twice basically, and have been a project director in the district for the past 5 years for a project called for pediatric heart surgeries for underprivileged children. So have been able to touch 1,500 children in 5 years, project costing around 30 crores. And also part of Business Networking International BNI. So I am part of, in business, I am part of BNI. I am connected to Atul because of Sukhdeepak, and Atul is also a Rotarian from our Brevat. We launched this new Rotary Club in July, and we have had 55 members in 6 months. In the lockdown, we have started this club, and it's a passport club. So anywhere from all over the world can be part of this club. Thank you.
Thanks, Khuzem.
Yeah, thank you. So now I would like to invite Shashank ji substituting Dipti.
Yeah, I'm Shashank Shankar Srivastav. I'm substituting Deepti Srivastav, who is owner of Food Mantra, and we are into catering. Due to these unique circumstances, now we are not doing much of corporates, but we have got more into party catering, event catering, house parties like birthday parties, kitty parties, housewarming, baby shower, and event catering and sports catering. So that's what we are doing exclusively in Delhi NCR. And parties as small as even 15, 20 people also we are doing. We have also done some wedding caterings because as you all are aware, now government is not allowing gathering of more than 100, 200 people. So we can cater to 100, 200 people also, as against the earlier when normally the Indian weddings are not less than 500,000 gathering. That time we were not doing that, but now we are definitely doing all kinds of catering. Thank you.
So I would like to invite Anand ji, Rajesh Budraja ji, and Ravindra Misra ji. Anand ji.
Yeah. Let's go with Rajesh ji because he's unmuted. Okay, Anand ji is also unmuted.
Yeah. So good morning, everybody. It's a pleasure to meet all the new members, those who are there today, or the guests, those who are there today on the board. Myself, Anand Paul. I'm based out of Aurangabad, Maharashtra, and I almost having about 42, 43 years of the industrial experience. And I worked as a Secretary General for the industry chamber called Chamber of Marathwada Industries and Agriculture. And I'm in skill development activity for the newcomers and non-technical people particularly. We had already completed 2 batches of technical training to the police boys and girls from Aurangabad. I'm a functional mapper for all the soft systems like Microsoft, Navision, and SAP and Oracle. And I'm a trainer also. Thank you very much.
Yeah, good morning. This is Rajesh Budraja. I'm based out of New Delhi. I did my chemical engineering way back in 1976, IIT Kharagpur. I've been in the corporate after that for about 42 years. Companies like Thermax, Punj Lloyd. I was last as director of operations at a company called Roots Cooling Systems in the air conditioning and ventilation contracting. Last 2 years, I set up a platform. It's essentially a knowledge platform where I've brought in experts from the industry, people with about 30, 40 years of experience in areas like air conditioning, indoor air quality, natural ventilation, instrumentation and control. And we essentially are offering our technical consultancy to industries, manufacturing units. In my social side, I did a lot of work with a company, NGO called the Hunger Project, which was basically working towards ending death by starvation. And they are currently now engaged with giving leadership skills to Panchayat women. My gift for today is architect Sabyasachi Sen. And my ask is if anyone can connect me to the production and manufacturing head of Goodyear in Faridabad. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to New Friends. I'm Ravindra Mishra from Delhi. I'm a telecom consultant having 37 years of experience in telecommunication domain, especially now on regulatory affairs and licensing matter. You may understand that once you take the license, the compliance continues as a regulatory compliances. And there I just advise the companies first getting license and thereafter compliances. So this is, I'm based at Delhi. My office is in World Trade Center, New Delhi. Thank you.
I would like to invite Mithilesh ji, Amit ji, and Atul ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग ग्रोथ। मैं मिथिलेश झा, मैं लॉजिस्टिक्स, इंटरनेशनल लॉजिस्टिक्स में पिछले 22 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। 12 साल नौकरी किया है टाटा के टीकेएम डिवीजन में, जो लॉजिस्टिक्स में काम करती है, और 10 साल से अपनी कंपनी टेकीज इंडिया रन कर रहा हूँ, जो इंटरनेशनल लॉजिस्टिक्स में काम करती है। और न्यू दिल्ली के नेहरू प्लेस में मेरी हेड ऑफिस है, सिंगापुर में मेरी ऑफिस है, और चाइना में वेयर हाउस है। और इंपोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट लॉजिस्टिक्स के अलावा जो हमारे कंपनी टेकीज इंडिया की स्पेशलाइजेशन है, ओडीसी कार्गो है। ओडीसी कार्गो होता है जो कंटेनर में नहीं आ पाए, जो कंटेनर के साइज से बड़ी शिपमेंट्स होते हैं, उसको ओडीसी बोलते हैं। ओडीसी शिपमेंट्स में हम लोगों का हैंड थोड़ा बेहतर है। जस्ट अभी एक अरामको की पावर प्रोजेक्ट, अरामको जो सऊदी की कंपनी है, उसके लिए एक शिपमेंट मुंद्रा से हमने जेद्दा भेजा है। तो इस किस्म के काम के लिए कोई भी इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट रिलेटेड इशू हो, उसके लिए हम लोग सही आदमी हैं जिससे कि कनेक्ट कराया जा सकता है। और मल्टीटेक्स जो ऑयल एंड गैस की कंपनी है, उसके जनरल मैनेजर एसके राज हैं, उससे मैं लोगों को मिलवा सकता हूँ, और रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी जो रिलेटेड टू लॉजिस्टिक्स हो या फिर ऑयल एंड गैस की कंपनी में किसी को कोई हो, और कोई भी इंपोर्टर एंड एक्सपोर्टर जो हो, वो हमारे मतलब का चीज है, और उनके लिए हम कुछ सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, वो हमें फायदा कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू मनीष जी फॉर गिविंग मी टाइम।
Okay, good morning, friends. My name is Amit Chawla. I am a business clarity coach with 3 decades of corporate leadership experience in the software industry. I'm a Josh Talk speaker and also author of Amazon bestseller book, The Clarity First. In my last role in corporate world, I work as a country head of a fintech MNC that we grew 10 times in 6 years. And now for last 4 years, I coach entrepreneurs and business owners in attracting high paying customers and creating high performing team that will accelerate their growth. And I do this through my personalized Clarity coaching sessions over Zoom or from an office called Clarity Hive in Gurgaon. My gift for the week is Amit Roy. He's a business storyteller. And my ask is entrepreneurs of software companies that are into digital transformation with about 50 plus employees and 10 CR plus revenue in India. And just to share with you, last week I had two H2H, two heart-to-heart sessions with Satya Gupta ji at his office and also with Rekha over Zoom. I have also 2 connects for Satya ji. I have already talked to him about Colonel Sunil Prem. He runs a platform of retired defense professionals across India. Could be useful for him. And also Saurabh Asthana, he runs an NGO called Talim with presence in villages in UP. So could be a good connect for Satyaji's initiative. I also have one referral for Rekha. She's not here, but I had a discussion with her yesterday. There's a guy called Sumit Sethi. He used to work for me earlier, who trains people to become sales professionals and can help her company, High Sales Consulting, in scaling up. That's all for today. Thank you so much.
So my name is Atul Puri. I work with small businesses, helping them to take their business to the next level. I do this with 2 different approaches. One is that I work with them to design their business well. This could be either a training or a coaching assignment. Second, I run a platform called eGrowth. Inner Circle is one of the initiatives of eGrowth, wherein we bring business owners together. So that is the collaboration piece, and help them take their business to the next level. That is the excellence piece, and look at opportunities, both domestic as well as international. That is what we've been up to. And welcome everybody.
Thank you. Now I would like to invite Tapanji, Dharmishtaji, and Mirendra Ingle.
Good morning. I think I heard my name, Tapanji. Yes, this is Tapan Kumar Nath from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am a retired civil servant. I retired from government of Bangladesh as a deputy secretary. Basically, I am a clinical psychologist, special language therapist, and I did urban planning degree from AIT Bangkok. Now I am working with the government, where mass transit metro rail kind of project is going on by the funding of JICA. And last month I was involved with the deep sea port construction in Kaksbajar Matarbari. It is a huge infrastructure by funding from Japanese JICA. JICA is our very big friend, and always they give technical and financial assistance, because Dr. Radharaman Pal, justice from Kolkata and the vice chancellor of Kolkata University, and he born in Kustia, Bangladesh, and he saved Japan in the criminal code, where 15% was about to death sentence, and he said no, Japanese are not so guilty. So Japan became our very big friend, as well as Japan is a part, similarly, can friend of India. So I am as a freelance consultant. I have a long track of administrative experience in the civil service. So administration, finance, budget, project management, training, these are my core concept that actually I work with the government. Now doing the lobby with the Indian investment and Chinese investment and Japanese investment. Thank you. Very good morning. So nice.
Thank you.
Good morning, eGrowth. As always, it's just a pleasure being out here amongst the Goldmine members. Professionally, I help people lead a life for freedom of time as well as money, not only today, but for tomorrow also, by the right investments and even securing their loved ones and the assets that belong to them by creating a will. So we are a one-stop solution based in Mumbai, services pan India into insurance, mutual fund, mediclaim, wills, GST, since my husband is a CA, and all finance related queries. My ask is tomorrow from the inner circle, Mr. Anil has invited us to be speakers. That's me and Pradeep. So invite you all at the Entrepreneur Connect meeting. The image shall be shared soon in the group after the meeting. That's it from Dharmishta Shah, brand name DBS. I'll be in Delhi on 21st Feb and 5th March. That's it from me. Thank you.
Birenji.
Yes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Virendra Ingle. I'm a serial entrepreneur and a business coach. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm helping entrepreneurs, specifically MSME and SMEs, in developing their next level leaders and autopilot their business. In last 20 years, I worked for corporates like Sony Pictures and Tata's, and now in a business for last from last 5 years. So this is all about me. Probably I'm not connecting well today, so I'll have to leave also, Atulji, today. I'll request if you can just take it forward.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Harjinder ji, अनम्यूट है सर. हरजिंदर जी आप अनम्यूट हो. ठीक है.
Yeah, now is okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. My name is HS Chima. I'm chairman of Chima Boilers Limited. We are making steam boilers, and my motto is to create more and more entrepreneurs in the country. I was in a drive with Atulji last 2-3 days. We had number of connections, and I'm really happy to join this group. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think no one is left. अतुल जी कोई और तो बचे नहीं.
आप बचे हैं सर अब.
Except me. I agree. Yeah. So myself, Manish, by profession, I'm chartered accountant. I'm providing the business and tax consultancy to business owner to run business day-to-day life and earn solutions. My office in South Delhi, and I'm providing the services to all business owner for the income tax and GST consultancy. So thank you very much, and over to you, Atul ji and Amit Chawla ji.
Suhas ji, I think he introduced, right? Yeah, great.
Yes, I've done my introduction. I was the first one to do it.
Thanks. Yeah.
Atul, can you give me the?
Okay, I'll do that. Sorry. Yeah.
So should I start the knowledge session?
Yes, please.
All right. Good. Good morning, everyone. So I'm Amit Chawla, and the topic that I'm going to pick up, which is the same as I've been doing for the last 3 weeks, is very simple. It's called Ask. And just to get this context, is we come into this networking forum, and जब आते हैं तो हम सोच लगता है कि we'll ask for connects and referrals and all that part. But when we come to networking forum, we are taught, like Chima ji was also talking about, we talk about our gifts. कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, I can create entrepreneurs for you. So we keep on talking about gifts and gifts. But I've seen in working in many networking forums, we do not have clarity of our ask. And also we do not even have courage to ask. Because like yesterday I mentioned in my message that who has courage and clarity of asking today, giving their ask today, and nobody raised.
You've gone mute.
Hello?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I've been talking for a minute, so I thought. Yeah, so what happens is we want to ask, but people don't step up and don't raise their hand to ask. So I want to encourage everyone to stand up and volunteer to ask. And I'll tell you what is asked, the process of asking, because if you do not ask, answer is a no. If you ask, there's a 50% chances that answer could be yes from somebody who's listening to you. Okay. All right. So what is ask? Ask is a special referral request from your fellow members. All our fellow members who are here today are very experienced people. They have a lot of good connects in the industry, from working for 30, 40 years or so. So it is very important for all of us to just raise our bar and just take that courage and ask with clarity. Okay. So what is a good ask? I've already shared this with the group earlier. In the ask, when you're talking about, it has to mention about the role that you're looking for, name of the person. If you want to connect to, last year Manish said, I want to connect with Virat Kohli. Okay, and from there we started working out like Virat Kohli, right? And there could be some connects. And also the company size, how big the company, is it a 10 crore company? Is it a startup? Is it like 100 crore plus? What team size? Like I always say, it has to be a 50 plus team that I work with. And location, India mein chahiye, Hong Kong mein, or Dubai, or wherever it's required, we need to mention that, plus the pain areas as such. What are the pain areas of that you are going to solve, and any other parameter. So that's a simple ask. That is how, this is the definition of a good ask. And the process of what we'll be doing today, and we've been doing it is, let me explain the process, and I need volunteers to come out and share. So the process is one of the, or two people will come on the floor right now and share the ask in 1 minute, right? And that will be a question answers to get clarity of the ask of the person. And then we'll go on the spot, right? On around the screen, and give people will give their referrals and connects there and then right now. Because jitna time humko aadhe ghante mein abhi milega na, 20 minute mein milega, that time will never get in next 1 week. Okay. So that's the part which will be happening. And after that, the call to action after this, we finish this task, would be fix H2H, fix heart to heart or one-to-one, whatever you call it, with the person who's giving you connect. Like Manish, I told you, agar kisi ne aapko bola hai, like I think Sukhdeepak ji said, he has connect for you. It's your ownership, your accountability to go and get that thing out. Like, for example, I'll give you an example. Atul has, I talked to Atul about, I think a month back, and he told me, Amit, मेरे पास 5 connects हैं आपके लिए. अब मैं उसको हर 3 दिन बाद पूछता हूँ कि वो क्या हुआ. Like 2 I've already talked to. So there are 3 more. So it is my accountability to follow up. If you don't follow up, other person will not give. Okay. So this is what I've seen in many platforms. Ask करके connect मिल जाते हैं, पर हम उसके पास जाते ही नहीं है मांगने के लिए. ठीक है. So make sure if you get the connects, you fix H2H and actually get the connect from there. All right. So what I'm looking for is volunteers who can know, at least I had earlier Rajesh Pandit, he is not there today. So anyone would like to volunteer and come on the floor to ask? Mr. Ahuja.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, Shashank and Mr. Ahuja. Mr. Ahuja raised first. So yeah, so what you have to do, Mr. Ahuja, is tell with clarity your ask. No, don't take too much time, because it's important. I'll go around the table or around the screen and try to get the connects if possible. Okay. So Ahuja ji first, then Shashank. Yes.
Okay. So hi everybody. So I'll take 10 seconds first. I'm a CA by profession. My core area has always last 30 years been, small, medium companies, and basically who are foreign oriented or the WS of foreign companies. And I've been, doing the entire gamut of all services for them. So my ask is connect me to any medium, small, foreign oriented company, or a subsidiary or something, which is looking to set up business in India.
Can you give a bit of examples of what type of foreign companies you're looking at?
Okay, so basically, we are handling all the entire back-end accounting, tax, maybe the admin part, the recruitment, all those things we've been doing for many companies over the last so many years. Now there is a little gap. So I'm looking for something, one-stop shop, anybody who needs a one-stop shop service.
Now, so let me ask, I don't think I got the clarity what you're looking for. First thing is you need to give a size of the company, because foreign company there are many, right? So if you give a size of the company and also what type of person you want to connect to. Are you want to connect to a CFO, CEO, or purchase head? Whom do you want to connect with?
Okay. Ideally, this would be the person who's in charge of setting it up, because that's role could differ, you know. If he could be an accountant, he could be just a business advisor, he could be a foreigner himself. I mean, I'm thinking this is what has happened. This is how my business has grown over the last many years. I mean, so I'm just trying to replicate it. So I'm not trying to experiment. That's the point.
Okay. So you're saying any foreign company who wants to set up office in India, whosoever is in charge of setting that up.
Correct.
And it could be a small company, bigger company, that's not important. But somebody, if anybody in this circle knows anybody who's there to set up their operation in India, that will be a good connect for you. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So fair enough. So we'll go around the table to see if we have anybody has connects like that. I'll start with Anand, Mr. Anand. So just say if you have, if you don't have, you say pass. Otherwise, give the number of connect that you can have for him. Mr. Anand? Yeah, you have? I can't hear you. Please unmute and speak. Thank you.
I said pass.
Pass. Mr. Rajesh Chanchlani?
Pass.
Sucheta ji?
Pass.
Atul?
Okay, pass as of now.
Okay, Shashank?
I would need a little more clarity on what exactly is he looking. If you can specify the industry, maybe can I?
Okay.
Maybe
So why don't you have a one-to-one? Why don't you have H2H with Mr. Ahuja and get some clarity there? Mr. Rajesh Pudiraja?
Pass.
Mithilesh ji?
Pass for
mute
today,
pe.
sir.
Ramanish?
Pass.
Mr. Kuzaim? You're mute.
I'll pass.
Okay. Dheeraj?
No, sorry, pass.
Suhas? Suhas?
Pass.
Okay. Mr. Ravinder Mishra?
Pass.
Okay. Tapan, sorry, Mr. Tapan? Mr. Chima?
Pass, please.
Okay. Sorry, यदि आपका इस बारी कुछ निकला नहीं है
नहीं, एक मिनट. So Amit ji, I have one reference. So there is a gentleman named Faisal Ibrahim. He is in Dubai, and he is into the business of setting up businesses in Dubai. So he would have some connects who would be looking at setting up business in India. So Ahuja ji, I'll get you connected to him.
Okay, thank you. But this was a very easy exam I gave. Everybody is passed.
Yeah. Pass का opposite fail नहीं है इसके. Pass का opposite fail नहीं है. No, it's also because you have raised this part. What will happen is when we are also looking at going forward, it will trickle in our head कि कोई company को यहाँ पे India में set करने वाली है, and we know the person, then we know we can connect you, right? And also Atul, it is possible that in eGrowth, also in Inner Circle, there are members who come from other countries also, and they are coming into India, right? I think there were 2-3 members. I forgot who were there, who were setting up their office here, right?
Peter was there. Mr. Peter may be interested.
Yeah.
So,
right. So there could be a potential there to look at.
Absolutely.
Okay. All right.
Could I intervene for a minute?
Yeah.
Sorry, I dropped out in between. I'll have a COC with him. Whatever are the asks, can we even pen down in the group?
Yeah.
For future reference, we could always refer those asks also.
Absolutely.
That's my suggestion.
Yeah. So we will do that so that it could be visible to all and can be picked up later on also.
Great. Thank you.
But it's very important that in this time, in this 5-10 minutes, आपको जो connect अभी मिलेगा ना वो आपको हफ्ते में 10 दिन में नहीं मिलेगा, right? Like Manish got last week, no, otherwise he would have not got. So we'll anyway put that across, but just share your ask with clarity. and you will see this, Mr. Ahuja, is आपको इतने connects नहीं मिल रहे. Maybe we have to figure out. The ask has to be clarified a little bit more, a bit more broader, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Shashank, you are next.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, you're right. My point was that कभी-कभी है ना मुझे immediately ध्यान में नहीं आता है कि मैं इनको क्या connect दूं. So over a period of time, once I read it in the group also, I could definitely have him connected one-to-one too. That's my suggestion.
Sure. Thanks, Ramishka.
Thanks for accepting it, Amit. Bye.
Thank you. Mr. Shashank?
Yeah. Okay. So as now everyone is aware about our business of catering. My ask would be people from Delhi NCR, individual homeowners, housewives who are planning any kind of a party at home, could be birthday party, kitty party, housewarming, baby shower, or some festival events like there was Baisakhi Mela last month, or it could be Holi, Diwali, or any such festive event happening in their home or in their society also. So, and some event happening, we can do catering there also, or some sports event happening there also we can do catering. So any one of you, any time here a party happening, you can just inquire where are you getting the catering done from, and just refer them to us, and then we'll take it forward from there.
And you said that has to be in NCR, right? In Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi NCR. Yes.
Delhi NCR. Yeah. So you're looking for homeowners who are looking to celebrate some events which are happening in their home and in NCR regions. So that's a very simple, clear ask, I would say.
Homeowners in NCR. Housewife.
Yeah,
housewives.
Yeah, so yeah, housewives, homemakers and housewives basically who are looking to celebrate some events at their home in NCR is your ask. So Mr. Rajesh, you raise your hand. So
yeah, I basically want to know what is the kind of food spread you give, and important for people to know what do you charge per head. That will get a little more clarity.
So how much do you charge per head? Just a range.
Okay, so as far as cuisine is concerned, mostly we do North Indian cuisine, Mughlai. Besides that, we are doing almost all the cuisines of India, and we are also doing Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Thai, continental, Mediterranean, and almost every general cuisine that we find here in India. And as far as the rates are concerned, no two parties are same, because all the parties are customized based on what people want. Whether they want live cooking or not, whether they want sweet or not, starters or not, veg, non-veg. So it is very customized. So once we know the menu, once we know the kind of services they are looking for, the number of people, all these variable factors are there, based on which, once we have the clarity on all these variable factors, then we are able to give the quote.
Yeah.
On an average, it ranges between 600 going up to 2,500 per pax.
600 to 2,500, right? That's the range you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, the range.
Yeah. Mr. Rajesh, you have any questions, connects?
None as of now. I was just inquiring so that I get an idea.
Okay. Then I move to the next Mr. Rajesh Chanchlani. Suchita Acharya.
Yeah, actually उनका geographically limited area है, इसलिए direct तो नहीं है, but yes, we can always pass on his contact information to our friends at Delhi and NCR region. तो वो हो सकता है, उस हिसाब से हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं, help कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, it is possible. In what he's asking for, it is possible if there is some forum where housewives are connected, maybe the WhatsApp group, or like there's a Gurgaon Moms karke hai kuch. So there could be those places where if there are some connects of anyone, that could be a good for him also.
Actually,
so you may be in Hyderabad, but you may have some connects in NCR.
Yeah, actually, he can cater to the services from kitty party to the weddings also. So if we can pass on this information, his contact information to the friends of ours, then that would be, I think, helpful for him. So that can be done, but otherwise, sitting at Hyderabad right now, I cannot.
Okay, thank you, Atul.
Yeah, so one last time, this one, Sukhdeepak ji, he was talking about getting in touch with Deepti or Shashank. So I think he's going to have his son's wedding, which is likely to be in Gurgaon.
Oh, okay. So, बहुत बड़ा give है, possible give.
हाँ.
Okay. Anything else, Atul, from your side?
So other than that, most of us in Delhi NCR, we are a give. So I am a give myself.
हाँ, एक साल हो गया पार्टी करनी है तो इसमें से
बिल्कुल.
So ready-made caterer is available for giving the party.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Ravindra Mishra.
No, nothing. But this is one thing which is a very recurring kind of thing, keep happening here and there. And now the season is just, means country is opening. So such requirement will come. Only thing, what happens here, the quality and the value for the thing, these two things, and which we understand every time Madam Srivastava has been coming and she has been assuring the things. So those things are assured for the all of us, and we will definitely refer, because it becomes easy for all of us that we know somebody and we can take a guarantee for such kind
So
of.
Shashank, आपको ना 1-to-1 करना पड़ेगा और H2H करना पड़ेगा बाकी सबसे.
क्योंकि ये तो घर में हमेशा होता रहता है, दिमाग में उस समय में नहीं आता है, या फिर जो पहले कर चुके हैं उन्हीं का नंबर आता है. So this has to be a new friend, and we can make a code of conduct कि अपनी जब पहली requirement कोई चीज की आए तो पहले inner circle में सर्च करें, या अपने friend की कोई requirement आए तो पहले inner circle में सर्च करें. कोई ना कोई मिल ही जाएगा, उससे पूछे जरूर. अपनी कई requirements आती रहती है प्रतिदिन, हर व्यक्ति के साथ होगा ये. तो उस problem के solution पहले अपने group में खोजें, न कि Google में खोजें.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Manish. So Manish.
Now अभी तो पास है बात, मैं इनसे H2H करूंगा, फिर we will discuss.
Okay, Shashank, just note H2H with Manish.
Yeah,
so Mithilesh Jha, Mithilesh ji, आप दिख नहीं रहे. And by the way, I'm going through this one by one for a special reason, because normally लोग ना हाथ नहीं खड़ा करते. So जो क्लास में होते हैं ना तो टीचर बोलते हैं आप सबको आंसर देना है, आप बोलो कि मेरे को नहीं आता, ठीक है. So then it builds momentum, यार अगली बारी तो आना चाहिए, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपकी बारी भी आएगी, राइट रविंद्र मिश्रा जी की आपकी बारी जब आप आस्क करोगे तो सभी नहीं आना करेंगे तो
मैं तो हमेशा बैक बेंचर ही रहता हूँ इन सभी मामलों में.
ठीक है. मिस्टर खुजैल, मिथिलेश जी अभी बाद में आते हैं.
Yeah, I am from.
You have any?
I am from Mumbai, but I have some friends in Delhi, so I'll see if I can connect to those friends.
Okay. So this one you need to have H2H with Mr. Kurzaim. Okay. Then Mr. Anand, आप दूर बैठे हैं but आपके पास आपका हो गया ना पहले कि नहीं हुआ? हो गया. Pass. Okay. Mr. Dheeraj,
मुश्किल है.
मुश्किल नहीं है, आपको तो कनेक्ट देना है, आपको ऑर्डर नहीं करना खाना. आपको ऑर्डर नहीं करना, आपकी कनेक्ट में कोई होगा जो दिल्ली में, योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स, नो एनी लेडीज देयर, could be a simple connect for Shashank. By the way, understand this part, आप इसमें उनको कनेक्ट दे रहे हो, आप ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहे, आप सिर्फ कनेक्ट दे रहे हो. Shashank, it's now after the Shashank's responsibility to go and talk to the person and get the work. It's not a confirmed business, by the way.
I have one relative, Mrs. Kasture. She is secretary to the Science Ministry. I'll share that number so that he'll be able to get a connect in Delhi.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah, so that's what all is required. right? आपको दिल्ली में कोई तो जानता होगा उनकी they could be a lady or your friend whose wife is there, so that could be a simple connect, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Dheeraj.
Yeah, hi. Although I am based out of Mumbai, but my roots are connected at Delhi itself because I belong to Alwar, Rajasthan.
Very
And
nice.
Delhi, my sister, my brother, and so many relatives are, staying there. So definitely I noted it. And whenever something is required, I will let them know that there is a person who is doing this kind of catering and services. So I will definitely help him in this way.
Very nice. Thank you. So Shank, need H2H with Dheeraj. Mr. Suhas. Mr. Suhas. Mr. Ahuja.
Again, nothing comes to mind at the moment, but yes, I'll keep in mind. And I also need to give me your contacts so that I can be in touch later.
I put my number in the chat.
Fine,
yeah,
fine.
Please,
that's fine.
Dharmishta.
Pass for now.
Okay. Did I miss anyone? Tapan, Mr. Tapan. आप तो बांग्लादेश से करेंगे तो ढाका से
asking you, I am the backbencher, not the backbencher, I am the student of the out of the class. I attend the class from the, whole, the Dr. Radha Raman Pal, who is the vice chancellor, he was out of the class. So poor, I missed the question. Could you please kindly tell me the question,
so do you know any housewife or homemaker in NCR region in Delhi, so that they can order if they're having some events for celebration, then Shank can provide that.
Got it. Yeah, I know many. As I was trained in Nisbat, in Noida, and 2 months. So I have teacher, I have class friend around the globe. I rather say Indian government given technical assistance from Africa. In Delhi, मेरे दिल दिल्ली में रहता है. When I fly, I first fly to Delhi, then I can to Calcutta. So, whose name I should say?
Mr. Tapan, what we'll do is, because it will take otherwise more time. Shank, आपको पता है कि तपन जी से आपको meeting करनी है, ठीक है? Yes. So you have your H2H and get your ask cleared up there, right?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Anybody? Mr. Dilesh Jan has joined. So, Dilesh, are you there?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Actually, for a pass for now, I mean, I'll check up. I mean, if there's somebody in Delhi, any connect whom I could, introduce him to. I'll keep it in mind, though, definitely.
Fair enough. And Shank, we will be in touch because there are some events which keeps on happening at our home or in office. I keep on doing. So let's talk separately and figure this out. Abhi immediate event to nahi aa raha koi mind mein, but let's talk.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Anybody else I missed out? No. All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Atul. I think Virender has left.
Yeah. All right. So I am not updated on who's there for the create session today. So thank you, Shashank ji, for sticking your neck out. I hope you got some valuable inputs.
Yeah, of course, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So who's there for the create session today?
I am Atul ji. मैं हूँ.
Okay, fantastic. So I'll just give you the rights for the presentation, and then you can please share. And as Manish ji,
I will need to leave. Okay, so I'll be leaving. My son is leaving for Canada today.
Fair enough. Done. So I'll be in touch with you later on.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, great. So as Manish ji, he shares with us about the create session. Let me just create. What does create stand for? Okay. This is a very unique interaction wherein Manish will talk about his business, and then he will share the challenge that he's facing in his business. And all of us, we will take time to contribute as to how the challenge can be resolved. So CREATE stands for, CREATE is an acronym. C stands for challenge. R is resolution. E is empathy. A is analysis. T is trust. The second E is empower and enable. So I invite all of you to come from here and then contribute to Manish. Manish, it's all yours now. You'll take around 7 to 8 minutes to talk about your business, and then we'll open it to the floor.
Chalo, thank you. Thank you, Atulji, for giving the opportunity for create session. So, my name is Manish. By profession, I'm chartered accountant, and I'm providing the business and tax consultancy. My office in Delhi. I'm providing the Pan India services. Right now, it is the all services like income tax, GST, ROC, all are online. So there is no need of the physical interaction. If you want to interact with your consultant, we can have the we can have interaction on online, WhatsApp or Zoom. Hangout anywhere. Okay, so we are providing the services. Yeah, my services is the accounting outsource, income tax compliances, GST compliances, department communication. So suppose that you don't want to keep your accountant, यहाँ पर you can account outsource कर सकते हो. You have the income tax compliances like you got the TDS return file करना होता है, ITR files करना होता है, तो that is the income tax compliance. आज के डेट पर TCS on sale आ चुका है, and TCS compliances, GST compliances है, department communication है. You got some notice from income tax department, GST department, service tax, excise, any department you have received any kind of notice, we are here to solve your problem. What we do, we take the facts from you and analyze. After that we present that matter in front of on before department. Then just 1 second, मैं ये कर देता हूँ. Then it's the business growth and planning कि जो day to day life में आपका business चल रहा है कि how you can grow from 1 CR से आपका टारगेट 2 CR है, 2 CR से 10 CR है, मतलब आपका जो एनुअल टारगेट है आप इसको कैसे ग्रोथ कर सकते हो. देन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द MIS एंड मंथली अकाउंट, मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट एनालिसिस की मंथ टू मंथ बेसिस पर आप अपना अकाउंट्स क्लोज कर ले और यू कैन हैव द डिस्कशन कि मेरा इस मंथ में ये टारगेट था, मैंने ये अचीव किया, मेरा ये लॉस है, ये प्रॉफिट है. देन विल कंसल्टेंसी कि आप और हम एज विद द बिजनेसमैन वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ विल. ये प्रॉब्लम कब आती है? जब हम नहीं होते हैं. जब हम नहीं होते हैं देन इट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद इन द फैमिली. तो अगर इस चीज को पहले से कंसल्टेंसी लेके आप ये अपने फैमिली में इस चीज को सॉर्ट आउट कर देते हैं, रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट कर देते हो, तो आपके जाने के बाद जो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होना है वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट नहीं होता है. Then it's after the wealth creation and the protection. Whatever you have wealth, whether it is the real estate, mutual fund, equity share, insurance, anywhere, FD, तो क्या वो सही जगह पर है? Suppose that what happened, आपने आज से 10 साल पहले एक लैंड परचेज किया हुआ था 10 लाख का. Now it's grow up to 50 lakh rupees. अब ये maturity level एक आ चुका है. After that it will not increase like 10 to 50, it will increase only 50 to 55 या 60. तो have you thought कि अब इस जो मेरा जो ये प्रोजेक्ट है या जो मेरा ये जो लैंड है इसको सेल आउट करके मैं किसी डेवलपिंग जगह पर परचेज करूं ताकि फिर से मेरा मनी ग्रो करे. तो ये जो है कि वेल्थ क्रिएशन और प्रोटेक्शन, तो ये सर्विसेज भी प्रोवाइड. या today we will discuss about the MIS and monthly profit and loss account. So everyone, as being the business owner, you are giving the more than 2 hours in a day on account कि किससे पैसा लेना है, किसको पैसा देना है, आज हमारे कौन सा EMI लगना है. हमें अगर किसी वेंडर ने 11 बजे सुबह फोन कर दिया कि सर आपके यहाँ तो मेरा ना करीब 15 लाख रुपया बाकी है, आप क्या करते हो अकाउंटेंट, इसका स्टेटमेंट निकालो, ये करो. मतलब एक बिजनेस ओनर एवरी डे पर 2 से 3 घंटा अपने अकाउंट्स में लगाता है. फिर इसके बाद क्या आप अपने बिजनेस का मंथली डिसीजन मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बना के लेते हो? इफ यू आर डूइंग इट्स ओके, वेरी गुड। नहीं तो फिर आपको ये लेना शुरू करना पड़ेगा। डू यू हैव द बिजनेस बजट? क्या आपने बिजनेस बजट आपने बनाया हुआ है कि इस मंथ में मेरा क्या इनकम होगा, क्या इनफ्लो, क्या आउटफ्लो, ये सारा चीज क्या हुआ? और डू यू हैव द कंप्लायंस ट्रैकिंग कि लाइक आपको एवरी मंथ यू हैव टू फाइल टीडीएस रिटर्न, जीएसटी रिटर्न एक्सेट्रा। क्या आप इसको कंप्लायंस ट्रैक कर रहे हो कि सामने जो आपका अकाउंट टीम है या जो आपका जो आउटसोर्स आपने कर रखा है उसने कंप्लीट काम कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है? वहां से कोई पेनल्टी या ऐसा तो कुछ तो नहीं आ रहा? तो डू यू हैव द ट्रैकिंग? इस सब चीज का एक ही सोल्यूशन है। सोल्यूशन इज दैट MIS एंड मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रिएट कर बना लें, और फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द नेक्स्ट मंथ में आप इसको डिस्कस करें कि लास्ट मंथ का जो मेरा टारगेट था वो हमने अचीव किया या नहीं किया ना। अब जो मैंने अभी MIS और मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पर बताया, तो ये क्या है, इसका जो स्ट्रेंथ है कि एवरी बिजनेस हैज द रिक्वायरमेंट, और कोई भी बिजनेसमैन इस मंथली MIS और मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के बगैर में ही कैन नॉट टेक द गुड डिसीजन। तो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि इसका ये स्ट्रेंथ है कि इसके बगैर आप काम ही नहीं कर सकते हो। वीकनेस इज दैट कि ऑल बिजनेसमैन अपने सेल्स पर ध्यान देते हैं, अपने ऑपरेशन पर ध्यान देते हैं, लेकिन इसको मंथली MIS पर या मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस पर कभी इंपॉर्टेंस देते ही नहीं है। दे थिंक कि दिस इज द ईयर एंड सॉल्यूशन, ईयर एंड प्रोसेस है कि एक साल में मेरा कितना टर्नओवर है, कितना प्रॉफिट रखना है, कितना हमें परचेज रखना है, ये सब साल के लास्ट में सोचेंगे। दे डोंट थिंक कि मंथ टू मंथ भी इसका इंपॉर्टेंस है। अपॉर्चुनिटी जो MIS सिस्टम है इज नॉट वर्किंग इन MSME और SME बिजनेस ओनर्स के साथ, ये वर्किंग नहीं कर रहा। लाइक अगर आपका टर्नओवर 2 करोड़, 5 करोड़, 10 करोड़, 50, if your business is turnover is up to 50 CR, यहाँ तक आप MIS सिस्टम प्रॉपर्ली वर्क नहीं करते हैं। तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि इस सेगमेंट में आई वांट टू वर्क एज MIS कंसल्टेंट। और माय चैलेंज इज कि जो बिजनेस ओनर है दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ MIS, और अगर उनको समझ में आ जाता है कि इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर माय बिजनेस, देन दे थिंक इट इज द एडिशनल कॉस्ट कि एक मैं अकाउंटेंट को पे कर रहा हूँ, एक मैं आउटसोर्स जो मेरा कंसल्टेंट है TDS GST एक्सेट्रा रिटर्न के लिए उसको दे रहा हूँ, एक MIS के लिए एडिशनल कॉस्ट बियर करूँ। लेकिन ये नहीं समझ पाते कि ये थोड़ा सा खर्च करके एडिशनल कॉस्ट आप कितना बड़ा आप प्रॉफिट कितने आप बेनिफिट्स आपके पास आ जाएंगे। तो माय चैलेंज इज कि हाउ टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट MIS टू बिजनेस ओनर और बिजनेस। दिस इज द माय चैलेंज। तो ओवर टू यू अतुल जी।
Alright. So if you can please elaborate on what the challenge is.
क्या चाहिए अतुल जी?
आपने लिखा है how to create awareness in business about MIS. इसके बारे में कुछ और बोलेंगे?
या मैं बता देता हूँ सर। जैसे कि आई टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ e-growth। आपका ही एग्जांपल लेते हैं कि क्या आप मंथ टू मंथ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट आप बना रहे हो? अगर आप नहीं बना रहे हो तो इसके बारे में मैं आपको अवेयर कैसे क्रिएट करूं कि मंथ टू मंथ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसका MIS और इसका जो एनालिसिस करना है कि करंट एसेट रेशियो क्या है, लिक्विड रेशियो क्या आया है, मेरा टर्नओवर रेशियो क्या है, ये कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो इसका अवेयरनेस एक बिजनेसमैन के तक पहुंचाना और इसको इंपॉर्टेंस क्रिएट करना, दैट इज द माय चैलेंज।
ओके, ग्रेट। So ठीक है, आप प्रेजेंटेशन शेयर करना बंद कर दीजिए। So let us hear from everybody. So there are a few of you who plan to leave early. So if you can please give your inputs before you go. So Amit ji, would you like to please contribute something?
Yeah. Let me. I was just making some notes, so I have to leave by 9:15. Manish, so I heard that part, awareness of MIS with business owners. So one thing you will see is इसमें ना आपका जो इशू है इसमें बेनिफिट्स आप बहुत सारे बता सकते हो, बट आपको इसके लिए आपको कोई अर्जेंसी दिखानी पड़ेगी। It's very important and very, very urgent. And for that, I would propose you do a little bit different. Okay, you talk about what is the loss if you do not make MIS. What would be the debacle which will happen if you do not have MIS on a monthly basis for business owners, no, उनको डराना पड़ेगा. आप उनको अब इसमें आपका बेनिफिट बताने का फायदा नहीं है क्योंकि वो नहीं आ रहे. आप डराना पड़ेगा उनको कि अगर आप डराओगे तो शायद कुछ निकल के आए, कि अगर आप नहीं बनाओगे तो क्या होगा. And then give some examples, case studies where a big corporates or some business owner उन्होंने नहीं बनाया तो उनको लॉस क्या हुआ, उनकी कंपनी में कितना लॉस हुआ, उनको पता चला 2 साल के बाद 2 करोड़ का लॉस हो गया, 10 का हो गया. You bring those points in. Don't talk about the benefits. Normally I say tell benefits. Here you talk about the loss if you do not make do this MIS for business. Okay.
Fantastic.
And the model how to do that is obviously you can have one-to-one and you can have videos. Those things are anyway there. Those are normal things. But I'm saying from positioning point of view, उसको उल्टा कर दो. ठीक है, कोई सीधी तरफ नहीं मानता तो फिर उसको घी उल्टे उंगली से निकालते हैं. So you have to find that way. डरा के, ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Thank you, Amit ji. Thank you.
Great. Anybody else? Ahuja ji.
I can share some.
Yeah, please.
I can.
Who was saying? Shashank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shashank, please.
Okay. Okay, so Manish ji, what I can actually suggest you is, in my business or even in my circle, a lot of people, the challenge that they are facing with chartered accountants is that they are less of chartered accountant, they are more of chartered tax consultant. क्योंकि जब टैक्स पे करने की बारी आती है साल में एक बार, तब वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट खटकाता है अपने क्लाइंट्स को. एंड देन मोस्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स दे से यार इतना सारा एकदम से टैक्स कैसे बन गया, आर यू माय चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट और यू आर जस्ट चार्टर्ड टैक्स कंसल्टेंट. तो आपको रेगुलरली मेरे को अपडेट करना चाहिए, रेगुलर वो करना चाहिए. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 1 year, आई सजेस्ट विथ योर काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, इफ यू कैन पिच इट to go through that balance sheet or whatever account sheets every month, once in a month, then they will also be on track. So that is how you can promote things, your MIS product in a better way.
Sir, that is what Manish is pitching for. He's talking of MIS. That is exactly what he's saying. It has to be on a regular basis. And as regards the CA being a tax consultant, I'm sorry, I'm going in defense of the profession. It's also it has substantially to do with the attitude of the business owner himself, because business owner कई बार ढीले हो जाते हैं, because they used to think कि सब कुछ end में हो जाएगा, but आजकल वो time नहीं रहा है. So I mean that's all.
Okay, so yeah, Shashank, you were talking about monthly interactions or rather more regular interactions, right? Anything else?
Actually, industries, particularly medium.
So Anand sir, we'll just come back to you. Just a moment. Sorry, sir. I just noted it. Shashank ji, anything else you would like to share?
Yeah, another challenge that the business owners are facing is changing the CA. Is it a very smooth process, or there can be challenge in changing the CA?
Sir,
if you can.
No. So here we're not talking about change. The specific topic is how is it that we can promote MIS services? Yeah, because otherwise this.
उसी पे आ रहा हूँ. तो दूसरे CA जो प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहे हैं और मनीष जी जो कर रहे हैं, उसमें ट्रांजिशन इतना स्मूथली हो सकता है क्या? वही चीज पूछ रहा हूँ.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Manish ji. Manish ji, can you please respond?
हाँ, इसमें एक्चुअली क्या है कि मेरी जो सर्विसेज है ना शशांक जी, आई एम सेइंग कि आपके पास जो रेगुलर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है फॉर द ऑडिट और टैक्स कंसल्टेंट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपको ये MIS के लिए रखना है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग द चेंजिंग, क्योंकि जब तक आप 2 लोगों से आपका अकाउंट कंफर्म नहीं होता है, वो हमेशा एक का जो भी थॉट प्रोसेस है या कुछ गलती हो गया या कुछ मिसमैनेज हो गया, तो कभी आपको एज बीइंग द बिजनेस ओनर यू विल नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई. ठीक है सर, क्योंकि आपको तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि क्या गड़बड़ हो रहा है. अगर उसने कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, कोई जानबूझ के भी कर सकता, कोई मिस्टेक से भी हो सकता है, तो वो आप जब दूसरा कंसल्टेंट रखते हो तब आप यू विल आइडेंटिफाई. ठीक है सर, तो आपको चेंज करने की वहां पर जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ यू हैव टू क्रिएट द सम बजट और उस वहां पर आपको एलोकेट करना है. दैट आई एम सेइंग.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Fair enough. Great. Yeah. Mr. Buddhiraja, आपने कुछ कह रहे थे? Mr. Rajesh ji?
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
what I was saying is, see, when people are already in business, some of them would be following this practice. The thing how to reach out is to people who would get into business, because that is your, I personally believe, is your audience. Startups would be your focus area. Now, what you could do is, just a thought is, maybe give talks and presentations at college level. This is where startups are going to emerge out from. Maybe in the final year, if you can tie up with some college and give talk about importance about MIS and give visibility to yourself also, because otherwise, hunting in a huge pond, it'll be difficult for you to locate who's going to be your customer. So look at people who are going to get into business in the following years. So that is your target segment.
Fair enough. That is also a very valuable point. Okay. Anything else, Rajesh ji?
No.
All right, great. Yeah, Anand ji, coming back to you, please.
Yeah, please. Actually, nowadays, the medium-scale company needs the MIS assistance for their day-to-day business, because nowadays people are looking at a daily profit and loss account, so that they'll be able to look into the profit and loss account and decide the strategies which they need to improve or change. So from that point of view, if medium-scale companies are targeted more, then that will be of great help. And also, as Buddhiraja ji has said, if you look into the institutes, particularly educational institutes, wherein these kind of things are lacking, and once in a year only the audits and other things are done. So I think institutionals and medium-scale companies can be targeted, which can be of a great help to Amit ji.
Great. Thank you. Ahuja ji, considering you're from the same trade, you'll need to unmute yourself.
I think the strategy suggested by Amit ji is the best one. I mean, you must make him aware of the minus, the negatives. I mean, like the tax department does, like everybody does, कि ये नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, So you need to scare him to get, because I'm sure Manish has been trying, I've been trying to instill some discipline into businessmen or business people, but they are incorrigible or they have their own, priorities. So unless this thing is brought to the priority, this will never happen.
Understandable. Anybody else?
ये मिथिलेश जी कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे.
हाँ जी, मिथिलेश जी.
सर, ये पॉइंट बहुत ही शानदार है मनीष जी जो बोल रहे हैं. MIS हम बिजनेसमैन के लिए कितना अच्छा, और हम इसमें कितने सिंसियर हैं कि मैंने मनीष जी को ऑलरेडी अपॉइंट कर रखा है हमारे फॉल्ट को निकालने के लिए. तो ही इज वर्किंग ऑन माय कंपनी टू फाइंड आउट MIS related issues. तो वो ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं हमारा. अच्छा, मैं इसमें क्या बोलना चाहूंगा कि MIS कितना इम्पोर्टेंट, अगर हम ये लोगों को हर जितने भी लोगों से मिले ना, और वैसे मनीष जी करते हैं काफी हद तक, वो ये पूछें कि ठीक है जी, अगर आपने मंथली MIS नहीं निकाला तो आपको कितना लॉस हो रहा है, जब वही प्रॉब्लम आपको 1 साल बाद पता चलता है, जो कि साल के बीच में आप ठीक कर सकते थे उसको, और पूरे साल में उसके कारण जो रेकरिंग लॉसेस हो गए आपको वो बचा सकते थे इजिली. इसमें पैसा खर्च करने वाला इशू ही नहीं है, पैसा बचाने के लिए हम बोल रहे हैं. अगर कोई लॉसेस जा रहे हैं या हमारे में कोई प्रॉब्लम है MIS में, हम काम करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ऑलरेडी हम फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन हमको वो पता चलता है साल के बाद, तो तब तक तो वो कुछ नहीं तो लाखों में, कई बड़ी कंपनियों को करोड़ों में नुकसान दे चुका होता है. तो जितनी बार, और हाँ सर, और जो ऑलरेडी आपका YouTube चलता है ना, उसमें इस पे सीरीज निकाल देना कि व्हाट की अगर आपको मंथली MIS नहीं मिलती है तो क्या 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 लॉसेस होते हैं. आपके जो 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 मिनट की वीडियो आते हैं, वो अगर वो लगातार उस पे सीरीज निकाल दें ना, तो ढेर से आदमी अवेयरनेस तो आ ही जाएगी कि
एग्री
कितना
सर,
सारा
एग्री।
लॉस उनको हो जाएगा। और ये एक ऐसी चीज है ना जो कोई भी बिजनेस जो बिजनेस करता है ना सबसे रिलेटेड है, चाहे वो 25-50 लाख का भी साल का धंधा करता है ना, तब भी ये है कि उसका 25 लाख वाले के लिए 10,000 रुपया महीना अगर बच गया है ना, तब भी वो ठीक है, उसी के लिए तो कमा रहे हैं। और जितना ज्यादा बड़ा कंपनी होगा उतना ज्यादा उसका लॉस होगा, उतना ज्यादा उसको पिन करेगा। और ये हम सब लोग बिजनेस करने में इतने ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं, भूल जाते हैं कि हम गलतियां, बेसिक गलतियां करके जो है ना अपना कितना लॉस कर रहे हैं। तो
थैंक यू मिथिलेश जी। धीरज जी कुछ कहना चाह रहे थे। मिथिलेश जी कुछ और कहना चाहेंगे आप?
नहीं सर, यही है।
ठीक है, ग्रेट,
और
थैंक यू। या
ये कि मैं जितने भी यहाँ लोग हैं ना, सबको ये वाला चीज जरूर कराना चाहिए, क्योंकि ना जो इन्होंने बोला है ना, इसके लिए इसकी जरूरत नहीं है सीए चेंज करें, कुछ करें। भाई ऐसे आदमियों को पकड़िए, आप उनको इनिशियल कुछ अमाउंट नहीं कर दिया, पता चल गया तो साल में उसके जितना पैसा देंगे ना उससे कम से कम 10-20 गुना बचेगा।
फैंटास्टिक। या हाँ जी धीरज जी।
या है सर। सर हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया अबाउट द नेगेटिव एंड द लॉसेस इफ यदि एमआईएस नहीं होता है किस तरीके से, बट मेरा इसमें एक सजेशन और भी इसमें ऐड करना चाहिए। आई थिंक नेगेटिव जो बताते हैं हम लोग की क्या क्या लॉसेस है, कि यदि हाउ टू स्केल अप बिजनेस फॉर फर्दर यू कैन से ग्रोथ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, तो एमआईएस का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है उसके अंदर, वेयर यू कैन एनालाइज, यू कैन कम टू नो कि लास्ट वीक या लास्ट मंथ या लास्ट क्वार्टर मैंने क्या किया था, एंड उसको आगे मुझे बिजनेस को लेके जाना है, मान लो 10 लाख से 15 लाख, तो उसके लिए एमआईएस में कहाँ शॉर्ट कमिंग्स हुई थी, उस बेसिस पे एमआईएस तैयार करके वी कैन कम टू नो, एंड दैट आल्सो कैन बी एजुकेटेड टू द पीपल वेयर वी आर सेइंग की नेगेटिव थिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग।
फैंटास्टिक, थैंक यू धीरज जी। एनीबॉडी एल्स?
I would like to.
या प्लीज राजेश जी।
मनीष जी, एक छोटा सा सजेशन था। जस्ट आप जो है बहुत सारे बिजनेसेस जो है अभी बैड शेप में है, एंड ड्यू टू सम मिस्टेक्स डेफिनेटली दे आर गोइंग इनटू दीस बैड शेप्स। तो अगर आप फोर्टनाइटली कुछ वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्ट करते हैं फॉर दीस पीपल, फॉर दीस बिजनेसेस सेक्टर वाइज, सो दैट विल बी अ बिग हेल्प कि डायरेक्टली आपका टारगेट कस्टमर आपको वहां मिल जाता है एक तरह से।
Okay.
So that would work, and we are doing it here in Aurangabad, and we are getting the clients that way.
Great.
ठीक है राजेश जी, इस पर मैं आपसे H2H करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा और डिटेल वी विल डिस्कस कि आपका जो प्लानिंग है मैं अपने यहाँ कैसे मैं इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकता हूँ।
Great. Anybody else? मिश्रा जी, आप कुछ सजेस्ट करेंगे?
नहीं, एक ही चीज है कि ये जो एमआईएस है इसका फॉर्मेट क्या है, मतलब उसका फॉर्मेट एक बने, टेम्पलेट बने कि लोग उसमें फिट इन करें अपने आप को, और फिर देखें कि मेंटेन करना अलग बात है, लेकिन उसमें किस तरह से ये फॉर्मेट बनेगा, वो फॉर्मेट के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए लोगों को, या फिर शेयर कर दीजिए अपने ग्रुप में ही, शेयर कर दीजिए उसका कि किस फॉर्मेट में आपका एमआईएस बनता है और इससे क्या इन्फर करता है। तो शायद इवन हमारे ग्रुप में भी सब लोग, कोई नहीं करता है, मतलब जैसा मिथिलेश जी से चूंकि पर्सनली आपका बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन होता है, इसलिए मिथिलेश जी ने इस डोमेन में अपने आप को डाला कि वो देखना चाहते हैं क्या बेनिफिट है, और इसको आप डालिए फाइनेंशियल साइड में नहीं, देखिए डेवलपमेंट साइड में, बिजनेस साइड में तो डेफिनेटली एमआईएस बनता है, वहां पर है इसका रोल, लेकिन ये फाइनेंस के लिए जो कि प्योर इंटरनल होती है हर कंपनी की, अनलेस ही रीचेस टू द कॉर्पोरेट लेवल, ये बहुत ज्यादा पर्सनलाइज होता है। उसमें क्या एमआईएस बनाना 90% तो हम डर के नहीं बनाते हैं ये एमआईएस, कि फिर टैक्स कंसल्टेंट जो है मेरा वो उसको सब सुधार देगा जो भी गलतियां वो कर रहे हैं, और हम खाली सुधार ही चाहते हैं कि हमें सुधार दे वो। अब उसका मीनिंग आप चाहे जो ले लें, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग हम चाहते हैं कि वो कोई जादू का मंत्र चलाए और सब प्रॉब्लम जो कुछ भी हम करते रहते हैं उसमें सुधार करते
एग्री सर, एग्री।
उसको कैसे किया जाएगा, और उसे रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करने में बहुत डर लगता है, जो कि चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट करता है, उसको देखिए आप।
ठीक है सर। तो
बिल्कुल सही है।
हंसराज जी, आपने जो फॉर्मेट का जो बोला है, इस वीक तक तो थोड़ा सा मेरा कुछ डिटेल आ रहा,
मैं
नेक्स्ट
कह रहा
वीक
हूँ
से
तो मैं समझना चाहता हूँ पूरी
Agree,
चीजों
sir.
को, क्योंकि डेवलपमेंट का MIS बना हुआ है कि कैसे क्या करेंगे, और MIS इज ए सिस्टमेटिक रिकॉर्ड मेंटेनिंग ओनली एंड एनालाइजिंग इट फॉर एनालिसिस पर्पस।
तो इसमें अतुल जी मैं 1-2 मिनट और ले लूं, अतुल जी अगर टाइम देते तो।
लीजिए।
हाँ, जैसे अभी मेरे को मिथिलेश जी की तरफ से असाइनमेंट मिला है, आई गॉट आल्सो वन मोर असाइनमेंट फॉर द MIS। ठीक है, वो अभी 2 महीना पहले ही मिला था। उनके बिजनेस का टर्नओवर है करीब 35 CR। तो वहां पर आई वाज सीइंग कि प्रॉफिट आ रहा 5 करोड़ का। लास्ट बैलेंस शीट देखा तो वहां पर दे हैड द प्रॉफिट ऑफ द 70 to 80 lakhs ऑन द सेम टर्नओवर। तो मैंने पूछा कि भाई दिस इज द गुड कि आपने 5-6 गुना, मतलब सेम टर्नओवर पर अप्रॉक्स 5 गुना आपने प्रॉफिट कर लिया। तो उनका अकाउंटेंट बोलता है कि सर इसमें से 8 CR आप हटा दो जहां पर आपका इंटर ब्रांच स्टॉक ट्रांसफर है। ठीक है, ऐसे तो टैली देख के तो लग रहा 5 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट है, जैसे ही 8 CR हटाता हूं तो 3 CR के लॉस पर आ जाता है। ठीक है सर, तो ये सब जो छोटी छोटी पॉइंट है ना, ये पता नहीं चलता। ऑनर तो देखा चलिए इतना प्रॉफिट है, लेकिन सोचता थोड़ा बहुत हटा देंगे, लेकिन जब रियलिटी में एक एक पॉइंट डिस्कस हो रहा है तो पता चलता है कि नेगेटिव में चले गए, कहां से कहां चले गए कुछ पता ही नहीं, समझ में नहीं आता। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू हैव द मंथली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट।
Fantastic. So as of now, I think there are 10 people who contributed. So I'm sure Manish ji, you've taken notes, right? Yeah. So my take here is that MIS is definitely important. That actually keeps you on the track. Means आप कहाँ पर जाना चाहते हैं, and then what are the steps you need to take, whether you taking those steps or not. And more important, also it also allows you mid-course connection. We've already taken some steps or some direction, and after some time we thought that we would get certain kind of results. Whether we're getting those results or not, वो normal routine में balance sheet से नहीं समझ में आता, unless हम उसको regularly कुछ parameters के ऊपर verify कर रहे हैं. So I think that's important. So there is something called as a balance scorecard. अगर वो implement किया जाता है, then other than finance, we are also able to look at other resources which are there in the business, whether that is manpower or it is machinery or it is other resources. How much are they contributing to the well-being of the business? That is something which becomes clear. So I think इसके साथ हम इसको wind up करते हैं. So what we'll do is we'll just so Manish ji, maybe you can manage this part of this thing, and we'll go into a breakout room wherein I'll spend some time with the guests. Will that be okay?
Yeah.
Before,
right.
Before we break up,
Yeah,
give a
please.
small suggestion.
Yes, sir.
If today almost about 4 to 5 guests have joined us today,
yes,
and if they can share their experience about today's session, that will be a great thing and
Yeah, that'll be
inspiration
great.
for everybody.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. So Dheeraj ji,
yeah, please,
and Rajesh ji, if you could share, two of them are there right now. If you could share what has been your experience.
Yeah, definitely would like to share experience.
Yeah,
it was great getting connected country and internationally also. So in one go, I could meet so many people. See, what has happened is for a long time, I have been working with the same faces and same place, and getting new ideas, new connects, and what people are thinking, how business is going. So definitely this was a very good input for me also. And definitely I've not started thinking how to expand my business also and be a part, and how to go for asks and everything. So definitely it's a good thing. And for me also, as far as my counseling and the rest of the things are concerned, I'll definitely come up with some of the good inputs, and I'll take your help also. So definitely it's a great platform. And Atul, it's congratulations to you to bring in such a great idea and a platform in the e-format with us. And definitely would love to be a part of it and continue with you people.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. And Dheeraj ji?
Yeah, hi sir, Dheeraj.
Yeah.
Atul sir, really, thank you very much. First of all, as a founder, you have created this group, E-Group, and I joined this group a month back, but I was not knowing exactly what's happening in this group. But today, really, I come to know it's very helpful, where people can come and discuss what challenges they are facing. There is great knowledge session where we can get few informations and we can discuss well also. So once again, thank you very much, Atul sir, and it's a great experience for me. Thank you.
All right. So now what we'll do is we'll go into a breakout room, 3 of us, and then rest of you can continue with your chit chat, and we'll come back in maybe another 10 minutes.
Now I have to take leave because it's 9:30 almost.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for
Yeah,
the
thanks.
session.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Rajesh, thank you very much for obliging by accepting our request of joining the growth. I look forward to your continuous efforts and contribution to the group.
And thank you for introducing me. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
मुझे लगता है अतुल जी ब्रेकआउट पे गए थे ना, यहीं पर आप कंटिन्यू करें, ज्यादा नहीं है वहाँ। और
चलिए ठीक है, वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, वैसा भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? Yeah. So so Dheeraj ji and Rajesh ji,
yeah.
Any other questions that you have regarding this format?
As of now, not, but it's helpful, and I will definitely like to make a points of things which I would like to discuss with you in this format.
Right.
And probably next time, before that, I'll discuss with Virendra England. We'll try to come in this group and we'll discuss over there, as I seen today also.
Perfect. Would you like to know the formalities for joining?
No, that I'll come to know, sir.
Okay. And Rajesh ji, how about you?
Actually, I would love to go ahead, and I need to know more of the formalities of how to go ahead.
Okay. So so what happens is we have this meeting every week. Okay. So as of now, we've got around 55 members in the inner circle who come from 5 countries. So we've got members from Australia, Thailand, Bangladesh, Dubai, and India. And they come from different industries. So manufacturing, trading, training, international business, you name it, and we would have them. Okay. So we've got people from 15 cities. The average experience of the people in inner circle is 26 years. Lowest being 10 years and maximum being around 45 years. So that way, whenever we're having conversations, we are getting varied experiences and varied inputs. Okay. We've evaluated a number of other business networking platforms. And what we realized is that invariably business networking gets reduced to only referrals. And for referrals, if you just go through your own phone, you would have a number of contacts already there. So you don't even need to look outside. But what happens as a business owner, other than referrals, you need a lot of inputs on how you can take your business to the next level. So like we had 2 interventions today. The first one was, we are not even very clear about how to ask for what I'm looking for. And if I don't ask for what I'm looking for, how will I get it? Second piece is, in my business, I'm facing some challenges. And every time we have this one create session wherein one person comes up front, shares the business, then shares the challenge, and then all of us deliberate. So in this deliberation, all of us get to overcome our own business challenges. So that way we are working on taking your business to the next level. And we continue to do so. So this is something what happens in the meeting. And during the entire week, you can keep on having heart-to-heart conversations with other business owners. And that way look at building your business. So this is how this entire inner circle is. The inner circle fees is 30,000 rupees per annum. And as a special offer, we are offering it at 20,000 rupees in Indian currency and 30,000 equivalent in the foreign currency, which is around $400 US dollars. So Rajesh ji, when would you be joining us?
Probably first week of March, definitely.
First week of March. All right. So during this period, somebody from our office will be in touch with you, and we'll take your company details and also share the bank details, and you can transfer the money and come on board.
Okay, fine.
Right. Any other questions that you have?
No other questions.
All right, great. And Dheeraj ji?
Yeah, Atulji, I would like to discuss more, and later give me some time, then I'll come back to you. Probably in the month of March only I am going to join. But I will discuss before few things, yeah.
All right. So, and I would also like to share one more thing. There are 3 characteristics that we are looking at people in inner circle. The first and the foremost characteristic is you're supposed to be a contributor. Okay.
Correct.
Only if we are giving or we are adding value to other people, will it make sense to be in this kind of a community.
Very true.
If you are coming only to take, then after some time you will feel suffocated.
Yes.
All right. Second piece is you are in a primarily B2B kind of a business, wherein your business is serving other businesses. If you are in a B2C kind of a business, again, you will not feel very comfortable, because a B2C kind of a business is there is a transaction happening every minute or every second, right?
Yes.
Third piece is you have a business which has a global or and at least an India level appeal. Only then it will make sense. If you are primarily a localized business, then this may not be a very great platform for you, because you got people from across the country or from multiple countries. So then that kind of value may not come, because if you're looking for a local kind of a thing. So these are the 3 things that we look at in businesses. And the manner in which we are going, towards the end of this year, we should have around 500 people in inner circle itself from 5 continents. Anything else?
No, thank you very much, sir.
All right. So maybe what we could do is I invite some of you to please, some of our existing members to please share their experience. They've been here for months together and what value they've drawn. I think that will be also helpful. So Mithlesh ji, would you like to? Yeah, please, Ahuja ji.
I'll say.
Yeah.
I mean, the crux of the inner circle is the attitude to give. I mean, that is the basic. If you forget that, then you don't get anything out of it. That's the thing I just like to reiterate, nothing more.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anybody else?
मैं इस ई ग्रोथ में 3 साल हो गए हैं मुझे ऑलमोस्ट, और मैं BNI का भी मेंबर हूँ और कुछ और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उसके भी मेंबर है। ई ग्रोथ में जिसके कारण जो है अतुल जी हम लोग हैं, मेन है जो नॉलेज शेयरिंग यहाँ है ना, वो बहुत शानदार है। नॉलेज शेयरिंग प्लस कनेक्शन, यहाँ कनेक्शन नॉर्मल से बेहतर बनता है। उसका रीजन क्या है कि जो आपने बना रखा है ना कि हम सिर्फ B2C या सिर्फ हंटर जो होते हैं उनकी ग्रुप नहीं बनने देंगे इसको। और जो डिस्कशन पूरा आज भी हुआ उसमें साफ यही है कि हम कितना ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करने वाले लोग हैं, दूसरों के बिजनेस में इंटरेस्ट लेके उनके बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए क्या कोशिश कर सकते हैं, ऐसे लोग हैं। मुझे इसका फायदा हुआ है और यहाँ के थ्रू ही हम BNI में गए थे और ओवरऑल यहाँ से भी काफी बिजनेस मुझे मिला। चिमा सर जैसे आदमी अभी मेरे टच में हैं और इस किस्म के ग्रुप के साथ आना इतना आसान नहीं होता है अगर हम कोई एक छोटा सा लोकल जूनियर कोई ग्रुप को पकड़ते हैं। तो ई ग्रोथ हमें अपना मौका देता है कि हम अपने बिजनेस को अलग अलग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में, अलग अलग जोन में जो है ना डिस्कस कर सकें और वहाँ अपने टाइप के लोगों से वहाँ कनेक्ट बना सकें। वो हमें दे रहा है और वो मुझे मिल रहा है नासिक में, पुणे में, बॉम्बे में, हैदराबाद में और बेंगलोर में। इतने सारे दोस्त बन गए पूरे पंजाब में, वो उसमें ई ग्रोथ का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। तो ये मेरी है जो गेन अभी तक हुई है अदर देन बिजनेस।
Thank you, ji. Thank you. That's really helpful. Anybody else?
मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि ये एक क्लब है, सिविक लाइफ में जो एक हाई स्टैंडर्ड का एक क्लब होता है वो इस टाइप का है जिसमें कि फैमिली की इन्वॉल्वमेंट कम है, केवल हम ही लोग हैं। और उस क्लब में हम जाते हैं कि जहाँ पर अच्छे अच्छे कनेक्ट मिलते हैं। यहाँ इजिली काफी कनेक्ट मिलता है। मैं अपना पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तो ये कहूंगा कि मैं ऑलरेडी डिसाइड कर लिया था कि परहैप्स दिस इज द कोरोना ब्रेक इज द रिटायरमेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ, क्योंकि एज इट इज मैं कई वर्षों से रिटायर्ड सिस्टम में चल रहा था। हम तो बिजनेसमैन थे नहीं, गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट थे, और गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट को एक के बाद रिटायर करना होता है। उसके बाद वो सोचता है कि एक नया कोई सोशल सर्कल वगैरह ढूंढे और उसमें वो अपने आप को एडजस्ट करे। लेकिन सडनली अतुल जी और सत्या हमारे फ्रेंड हैं, हम लोग मिलके इस ग्रुप को ज्वाइन किए और उसके बाद में पूरी लाइफ स्टाइल ही बदल गई, एक सोच ही बदल गई टोटली। पहले मुझे हमेशा टायर्डनेस, अब लगता था कि अब बहुत हुआ, अब लगता है कि अभी कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, अभी तो शुरू भी नहीं किया है, अभी तो लगता है कि अभी तो जी भर के देखा नहीं। अपने लगता था पहले गवर्नमेंट सर्विस में थे तो लगता था कि आई एम द मोनार्क ऑफ ऑल आई कैन सर्वे, और अब लगता है कि मैं तो जीरो हूँ, अब तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ। मतलब जहाँ एक से बढ़कर एक दिग्गज लोगों को देखता हूँ और किस तरीके से अभी भी मतलब हमारे सीनियर्स हैं यहाँ पर और इस तरह से इंथुजियास्टिक रहते हैं, तो उनको देख के लगता है कि अभी तो मुझे बदलना है, बहुत कुछ बदलना है। जो कुछ था वो बेकार था, अब नए ढंग से करें, कुछ कर लें तो बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो ये मैं ये महसूस करता था। और अब ये आता हूँ 2 घंटे, पूरे वीक के लिए बैटरी चार्ज हो जाती है कि बढ़िया है, और फिर से वो हो जाता है, रिप्लेनिशमेंट हो जाता है अगले वीक में। यस, मैं कंट्रीब्यूट कम करता हूँ और मैं बात बहुत कम कर पाता हूँ। आदत नहीं है, केवल सुनने की आदत है। लोगों की सुन लिया, अपना काम किया, बस दैट्स ऑल। अधिक लेक्चर देना मुझे पसंद ही नहीं है, बोलना भी बहुत पसंद है। क्वेरी भी कभी क्लास में भी नहीं करता था, वो यूपीएससी के एग्जाम की भी तैयारी कर रहा था तो भी कभी क्लास में कोई क्वेरी नहीं करता था, क्योंकि टीचर अपनी तरफ से तो बेस्ट ही बताता है। अब उसमें मैं क्या दिमाग लगाऊं अपना, बस जो कुछ बताया है उसी को मतलब कॉपी पेस्ट कर लो अपनी लाइफ में।
Absolutely. Thank you. एक चीज तो what I definitely like to point out here is that to have access to officers like Mishra ji, in the normal government scenario, if we would go, we would probably take months to get access to him. That is something which is readily available in Inner Circle. So thank you, Mishra ji, for considering to be here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Tapanda, you were saying something.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Otulji and other friends. Actually, it is a very good opportunity sharing our experiences. As Mr. Ji was talking about the working experience in the government boss, I was also similarly 3-4 months back. Actually, I was just take my pension. So I find myself free bird and having exposure in different Ministry of Industries. Now, many industrialists in Bangladesh willing to put me as a consultant. Just from 1st February, I am in a group of media and I became the CEO. They are working for developing daily paper and news media and television channel. So this is a new thing they offer me. As I have connection with the government bureaucrats, so bringing business from the government and matchmaking with the private sector is easier for us because most of the secretaries are junior to me and chief secretary is my friend. the Chief Secretary of the Prime Minister. So this is the opportunity from the government experience I am putting in the public. And you, Mr. Atulji, I thank you from the core of my heart. You said that you, Secretary, acceptable the businessman. Now I claim that I'm a businessman. I have a nice car. I move in a gorgeous manner. I pull some money from here and there. No problem at all. Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Thank you. So nice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Anybody else? All right. So then let us complete this meeting for this week. We'll meet again next week with another session of Inner Circle and have some more great conversations. All right. Okay. Thank you.
So nice. Thank you very much.
See you. Bye.